orders police withdrawal from Rivers Local Government Secretariats. Police personnel have been withdrawn from all 23 local government secretariats in Rivers State, following directives from the Nigeria's Inspector General of Police, Kayode Egbetokun. The order conveyed through the state's newly deployed Commissioner of Police, CP Bala Mustapha, comes 3 months after the initial deployment of officers to these locations. According to the Rivers State Police Command spokesperson, SP Grace Iringekoko, this withdrawal reflects the Nigeria's police force commitment to maintaining neutrality and ensuring the smooth operation of democratic institutions. The Secretariat had been under police watch since June, and political tensions between caretaker committee chairmen aligned with Governor Siminalayi Fubara and former local government chairman loyal to Federal Capital Territory Minister Nyesom Wike. The police command has stated that officers will only return to these locations if there's a breakdown of law and order, with emergency measures ready for implementation if needed. This development comes just days after Governor Fubara's inauguration of the 23 newly elected local government chairmen and his recent allegation of bias against Inspector General of Police, claims which IGP Egbetokun has firmly denied. Stay tuned to NaijaNews TV for further developments.